Hey friends, good morning. So I woke up about 2 hours ago and I just finished my breakfast, and while I was having my breakfast, I'm still reading the Jujutsu Kaisen manga. I forgot how good it felt reading manga and just leaving everything up to the imagination. So it's safe to say that I am pretty much, I want to say, past what we may see in season 2 of the animated version, and it's really good. Like, y'all, this is so good. Anyone who's read the Jujutsu Kaisen manga, then you guys already know, but I'm pretty sure that what I'm up to is the most they'll potentially cover in the animated version. I don't know, we'll see. I'm just making an estimated guess, but it's really good. Oh my gosh, it's so good. So I have a couple things on the list today that I want to get done. I just had to make sure that I ate first so that I'm fueled and I'm energized. Also, update, I re-dyed my hair because that brown from before was starting to peek through and it was fading a little bit up top and like in the back. So I did that last night. Very happy with how like dark and beautiful my hair looks again, just because I love my black hair. Like, what? So I'm gonna be taking it down a little later for some video filming that I have to do. But yeah, I just wanted to like pop in and yeah, I'm gonna catch up with you guys in the next clip. Hello friends, so I just finished wrapping up some of the edits. Let me switch you guys over here because the lighting today is crazy. There we go. The sun is just like beaming right now. Hello? All right. Oh my gosh, wait. Okay. Woo! My eyes. Okay, so yeah, I just wrapped up the final edits that I had to send over for the campaign that I was working on, which is what you guys saw. Let's see, I'm kind of debating if I want to like munch on something, but I'm still not that hungry, so I'm gonna wait. But yeah, so I can't speak right now. Let me take a minute. Okay, I went ahead and wrapped up those edits. I also filmed a YouTube video, which is going to be going up this Saturday. So by the time you guys see that video, this is going to be the next vlog to go up on my channel. And so far, I've really just been enjoying shooting behind the scenes and then also posting like in-time content, if that makes sense. So it's like the videos that are a little more structured, and then the behind the scenes, which are the vlogs and everything else that goes on in my life before I'm posting and stuff. So that's been really fun. Going into this week, I got a couple things planned. I'm getting my nails done again on Wednesday because it's time for a switch up, and I kind of want to cut them down because they've gotten pretty long. Yeah, my nails are pretty long, and usually since I'm typing and all that stuff on my computer, it can get in the way. So I'll probably cut them down a bit or file them down. We'll see. I'll let my nail tech decide because she's the hand goddess. And yeah, that's pretty much all I've got planned for the rest of the night, is to send in the edits, edit this video, and schedule it for tomorrow, and probably munch on something real quick. So let's go ahead and do that. Oh, and now you guys can see like the color. We said jet black for the win. Hello friends, welcome back. It's 12:45 p.m. and I'm getting ready to finish up my makeup. I had to change my sweater because I got a little bit of makeup on it and I really wanted to wear it, but I just took that as a sign that I needed to change the fit for the day. If I'm sounding a little low, I am in a funk. I'm not gonna lie, I am in a funk and I'll get over it. I'd rather be like honest whenever I'm feeling down, I guess. But realistically, I'm just like pissed. I'm irked. I'm irked and I'm annoyed. So that's why I got makeup on my sweater, because I'm trying to move in a rush and hustle a little bit. But I'm still gonna try to make the best out of my day. I will make the best out of my day. So I'm just gonna get lost in a book on my way to work and listen to my music. I'm doing my makeup now because that always makes me feel extra pretty and beautiful, and just like I'm giving myself time to breathe. I meditated and that helped. But yeah, I'm just rolling with the punches today, so I'm gonna hush up and finish my makeup so y'all enjoy this little montage while your girl gets ready. So let's talk about it. Every day we are met with situations or scenarios that truly do test us, but as always, and through the test of time, and with God always on my side, I realize that He will never give you too much that you can't handle. So on this day, I was just emotionally exhausted because, as always, you have to pay attention to the signals and the signs that are clearly making themselves evident to you. And I think for quite some time I had been in denial of the transitions and the step that I need to take in order to better my environment and better myself emotionally and create more of a stability for myself. And so here I am just trying to mend the situation in the best way that I know how. But at the end of the day, I know the truth, and it's just that it's time to move on. So hopefully I can continue to share that journey with you all, and you guys will see me basking in a new chapter of my life. But until then, I'm just working at being me, the best that I can be, in the best way that I can and that I know how. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog.